Although the Bluebird hut was built primarily as a bird sanctuary prototype, its 2.45-meter-tall 8-foot-tall conic form is large enough to provide shelter for people as well. A metal structure supports the natural palm fiber surface, which not only has thermal and acoustic insulation benefits, but can also serve as a food source and habitat for birds. The fibers were naturally dyed a rich indigo blue. Visitors to the bird hut can use the structure as a bird watchtower by prying apart the fibers to create a viewing window. Read more: Architectkidd's Bluebird Hut saves injured birds with eco-friendly construction. Bird Hut by Architectkidd, Inhabitat, Sustainable Design Innovation, Eco-Architecture, Green Building.